Welcome to AlphaGuru's weekly market recap for the week of 18 to 20 swapped off August 2026. A 4-session week following Independence Day, and markets delivered a split outcome. Nifty 50 slipped marginally. Nifty Bank managed a small gain. It was the clear underperformer. Here is the complete data-driven recap. Indices, sectors, top movers, and the biggest corporate stories from BSE filings this week. Starting with the headline numbers, Nifty 50 closed the week at 24,252, down 1114 points or 0.47% from last Friday's close of 24,366. Nifty Bank moved higher, ending at 57,762, up 271 points or 0.47% week on week. India VIX closed at 11.28, down marginally by 1.06% from 11.32, signaling stable volatility conditions heading into the weekend. On market breadth within the Nifty 50, 16 stocks advanced. 30 declined, 1 was unchanged. In the broader Nifty 500 universe, 1,089 stocks were trading above their 20-day moving average, while 172 were below it as of Thursday's close. Overall breadth for the week was bearish. Sectoral performance was mixed, with IT leading the decline. IT fell 2.63% to 30,532, the worst performing sector of the week. Auto declined 0.28% to 29,125. Pharma shed 0.33% to 26,360. Midcap 100 was nearly flat, down 0.07% to 63,736. On the positive side, Realty gained 1.78% to 911.60, and Smallcap 100 rose 1.21% to 19,978. Top weekly gainers within the Nifty 50, HDFC Life Insurance led, up 3.54% to 554.88 show. Kotak Mahindra Bank rose 2.98% to 402.80. Eternal Limited gained 2.98% to 3288. POWERGRID added 2.39% to 272.40, and AXISBANK closed up 2.33% at 1,245.80. Top weekly losers, Tata Motors Passenger Vehicles was the biggest decliner, down 4.96% to 317. HCL Technologies fell 4.23% to 1,302.50. Infosys declined 4.12% to 1,021. Indigo dropped 3.77% to 5,110. Dropped 3.77% to 5,110, and ITC lost 3.16% to close at 269.40. Larsen & Toubro secured an offshore engineering, procurement and construction order valued at over Rs 15,000 crore from the Middle East region for its hydrocarbon business. The contract adds significantly to L&T's order book and is expected to contribute to revenue over the project execution period. Welspun Corporation received an order valued at Rs 17,200 crore, with shares surging over 9% to a 52-week high following the announcement. The contract strengthens the company's order book and revenue visibility for the current fiscal period. The Enforcement Directorate filed a Prevention of Money Laundering Act complaint naming Reliance Power as a proposed accused in connection with alleged financial violations totaling Rs 715 crore. The complaint is a significant regulatory development for the company with implications for its operations and standing. IRDAI warned Niva Bupa Health Insurance for breaching FY25 expense limits and imposed a 6-month moratorium on opening new offices. The action restricts the company's branch expansion plans and signals supervisory oversight on expense management. The government tightened sugar stockholding limits for bulk consumers to 15 days in a move to moderate record high sugar prices. Sugar sector stocks including Balrampur Chini mills rose up to 20% following the direct. Ceigall, India's joint venture, secured road construction orders totaling Rs 2,150 crore from the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways for projects in Arunachal Pradesh. The contracts fall under central government infrastructure initiatives for northeastern India and add to the company's order book. Samvardhana Motherson agreed to acquire a 64.76% stake in Shenzhen Autocruise, a Chinese automotive components company, for USD 22.6 million. The transaction marks a strategic expansion of the group's presence in the Chinese automotive market. SpiceJet settled a Rs 60 crore dispute with Aviator ML, while the National Company Law Tribunal deferred orders in 8 separate insolvency cases against the airline. Cumulative creditor claims across those 8 cases exceed Rs 500 crore, and broader insolvency proceedings remain unresolved. Realty Corporation secured an order from the Employees Provident Fund Organization, EPFO, with shares rising 5% following the announcement. The contract expands Realty's revenue base beyond railway sector operations into government institution services. But India shares declined 6% intraday after the company communicated a cautious business outlook at its annual general meeting. The conservative guidance reflected concerns regarding near-term demand conditions and operational headwinds facing the footwear manufacturer. That wraps up this week's AlphaGuru market recap. Nifty 50 ended down 0.47% at 24,252. Nifty Bank was the relative outperformer at 57,762, up 0.47%. India VIX held steady at 11.28, was the standout sectoral decliner, down 2.63%. Realty and Smallcap 100 were the only sectors to close meaningfully higher. On the corporate front, L&T's Rs 15,000 crore Middle East order, Welspun's Rs 17,200 crore contract win, the ED complaint against Reliance Power, and the IRDAI action on Niva Bupa were the headline developments from BSE filings this week. Markets continue next week. Stay data-driven. Subscribe to AlphaGuru on YouTube for daily market cards, evening reels, and weekly recaps every Saturday. Follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Telegram at TradeForge Alpha. All data in this video is sourced from BSE corporate filings and public market data. This is not investment advice. TradeForge Alpha is not a SEBI registered research analyst. Please consult a SEBI registered investment advisor before making any investment decisions.